discuss exercise number 3. Okay. So the concept is completely about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. It is based on only one topic. Okay. So now first question, evaluate. First one is tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54 degrees. So first listen to me and then note it down. Okay. Put your pen down. Now tan 36 degrees and cot 54 degrees. Okay. So these two are complementary angles. Can you observe it? 36 plus 54 is 90. These two are complementary angles. So we have to interchange the values. We have to interchange the trigonometric ratios into the same trigonometric ratio in both numerator and denominator. So let us change tan 36 into cot. Okay. So then tan of, split the term, split the number. Okay. Can we split the angle 90 minus 54? So 90 minus 54 is 36. We already know that. So we have splitted this angle. But this operation must be done in only one ratio, whether it is numerator or else denominator. Ikkada tan aina cheyali, cot aina cheyali. Kan renditni cheyoddu. Okay. So we should not do any operation in both the terms. So the denominator will be cot 54 as this. Now tan of 90 minus x. We know that tan of 90 minus x is
Cot x.
cot x. Very good. Tan of 90 minus x is cot x. So cot, what is x value here? 54 degrees divided by cot 54. Now cot 54 degrees and cot 54 degrees cancel and the result will be 1. Okay. Now next, second Roman. Second Roman is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Can you observe even these two angles are also complementary angles? So let us interchange the trigonometric ratio of sin. Okay, or else cos, anything. We can change anything. So cos 12, let us keep it like that. And sin of, can we split this 78? 90 minus 12. So 78 is nothing but 90 minus 12. So then cos 12 minus sin of 90 minus x is cos x, that is cos 12 degrees. So cos 12 minus cos 12 is 0. Okay. Next, third Roman. Cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Now let us change first one or second one. Which one? Cosecant 31. So cosecant of, how can we write this 31 as? Split it. So 90 minus 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Okay. So now cosecant 90 minus x becomes secant x is 59 here. Secant 59 minus secant 59 becomes 0. Very good. Next, fourth one. Sin 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. Sin 15 degrees into secant 75. Now you have to be careful here. So first let us change any one ratio now. So let us change secant 75. So sin 15 degrees it is. Now can we split it, this 75, 90 minus 15. So split J and 75 ni. Then sin 15 degrees into secant 90 minus x becomes cosecant. Is it? Secant of 90 minus x is equal to cosecant x. That is cosecant 15 degrees. Okay. Now there are no cancellations here. How can you do now? Here we use the concept of first exercise. First introduction concept uses them. We know that sin 15, we know that cosecant is reciprocal of sin. So can we write this cosecant 15 as 1 by sin 15? Can we write like this? Now what it becomes? If there is no denominator, It will be 1. So sine 15 into 1 is sine 15 divided by 1 into sine 15 is sine 15. Now it becomes 1. Just a extra step here, and we use the concept of first basic. Okay, so here cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So here sine 15 and sine 15 gets cancelled. The result will be 1. And similar to that, fifth question is, let me rub this first Roman. Have you written?
Yes.
Okay, fifth Roman is tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Tan 24 into tan 64. So now let us change any of the ratio. So tan 26 ni change chedama tan 64. Tan 60. Okay. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 can be written as tan of 90 minus 26. Done. So tan 26 degrees into tan of 90 minus x is cot x. That is cot 26 degrees. So the same thing we have to do. The concept, the basic concept. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So tan 26 degrees into how can be written as tan 26. So cot can be written as 1 by tan. So then tan 26 gets cancelled. 1 will be the answer. Second question is, show that first Roman is tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. LHS part ఈ కంప్లీట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని వాల్యూ 1 అని చూపించాలి. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు షో ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ 1. ఓకే, so now let us take LHS. First listen, put your pen down everyone, quick. Okay, so LHS part is tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So whenever the equation is like this, you have to interchange the terms. Okay, so first ఇక్కడ ఏ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ని సమ్ అప్ చేస్తే కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్. కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ ఇక్కడ ఏవేవి ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి. వాట్ ఆర్ ది కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ హియర్? 48, 42 are the complementary angles. Next, 74 and 16 are complementary angles. So now let us bring it here. So adjacent to each other, pakka pakkana raskundam. So tan 48 degrees into what is the complementary angle for this? 42. So let us write adjacent side to it. Next, tan 16 degrees into దీనికి complementary angle 74. Let us write beside. Okay, then pakkan rasko. Done. Now from these first two terms, change any one trigonometric ratio. From these second two and the next two, any one trigonometric ratio you have to change. Okay, so first let us change tan 48. Now how can we write this tan 48? 90 minus 42. Very good. And write tan 42 as same. Okay, any one we have to change, keep it in mind. And next, from these two, which will change? Tan 74. Okay, then how can we write tan 74 as 90 minus 16 degrees. Very good. Next, now tan of 90 minus x becomes cot x, that is cot 42 degrees. Very good. And next, tan 42, same as like that, and tan 16 degrees into this dot represents the product. Okay, next, tan of 90 minus x becomes cot x, that is cot 16 degrees. So tan 90 minus 16 becomes cot 16. So can we write this cot in terms of tan? Cot can be written as 1 by tan 42 degrees. Already it is cot. How can we write? So cot 42 can be written as 1 by tan. అంతే కదా, cot కి reciprocal tan, tan కి reciprocal cot. So suppose ఇలా కాదు, in terms of cot లోనే చేంజ్ చేసుకుందాం. Let us keep it like this, cot 42 into, how can you change? Tan can be written as 1 by cot, that is cot 42 degrees.
Cot 42, cot 42.
Okay, next. Now let us change this tan 16. Now let us change cot 16 in terms of tan. ఇక్కడ cot చేసాం కదా, tan లో చేంజ్ ఎలా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, కానీ మీకు డిఫరెంట్ సినారియోస్ చెప్తున్నా. ఓకే, సో tan 16, cot 16 can be written as 1 by tan 16. Tan 16 will be cancelled. Cot 42 will be cancelled. This is in the numerator and this is in the denominator. At that case only will be cancelled. Okay, if it is multiplying to each other, it will not be cancelled. Okay, so it is in the numerator. If nothing is there, denominator will be 1 here. So this and this will be cancelled. Tan 16 will be cancelled. What is left over here? 1 into 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. It is not 1.1. It is 1 into 1 equal to 1. Do you have any doubts? No doubts, right? First ఉన్న equation ని ఎలా ఉందో అలా LHS part తీసుకోండి and then interchange the terms. ఓకే, కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ ఉన్న టర్మ్స్ ని సైడ్ బై సైడ్ రాసుకోండి, రైట్ అడ్జసెంట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. ఓకే, అండ్ దెన్ separate into two batches, that is 2 terms, and then change any one trigonometric ratio. After that solve it, you will get the result. Simple. Discuss the second question, second Roman. What is second Roman here? Cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. So we have to show this value is equal to 0. So now first let us consider LHS part. What is LHS part here? Cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Okay, now let us change this part. Okay, cos 36 can be written as 90 minus 54 degrees. Very good. And cos 54 should be written same. Okay, any one we have to change. Minus, let us change the sin 36. So sin 36 can be written as sin of 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 into sin 54. Now observe, if you change 36 degrees here, you have to change the same 36 degrees even here also. మైనస్ కి ముందు ఈ టర్మ్ లో 36 degrees ని చేంజ్ చేశారంటే, ఆ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియో చేంజ్ చేశారంటే, సో ఈవెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది మైనస్ టర్మ్, దట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ టర్మ్ లో కూడా 36 degrees ని చేంజ్ చేయాలి. అర్థమైందా? సేమ్ యాంగిల్ హ్యావ్ టు బి చేంజ్డ్. సో కాస్ ఆఫ్ 90 minus x becomes sin 54 degrees into cos 54 degrees. Now it becomes sin of 90 minus 54 is cos 54 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Okay, now sin 54 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus, first let us write sin 54 first and then cos 54. Can be interchanged, right? 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into 3, is it?
6.
The same result we'll get. So let us interchange. So sin 54 into cos 54. Now see here, observe, these two are same terms. If we subtract the same term, the result will be 0. If ala kaakapaina meeku ala ardham kaledante, what is the common in both the terms? Sin 54 into cos 54. Both the terms avi rendu same unnai. Sin 54 into cos 54 we already removed. What will be left over here? 1 will be left over. Minus, here also we taken as common as sin 54 and cos 54 we taken out. What will be left over? 1. Then it becomes sin 54 degrees into cos 54 degrees into 0. 0 into something becomes 0. That equal to RHS. Hence
Verified.
Proved. Hence proved. Okay, so మీరు ఇక్కడైనా డైరెక్ట్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చు. The a minus a becomes 0. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ టర్మే కదా, Sine 54 into cos 54. Even here also sine 54 minus cos 50. Okay. If we subtract the same term, then it becomes 0 here directly. If tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is acute angle, then find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay. So first listen, put your pen down. First listen to me. If tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18, where 2a is acute angle, and then find the value of a. First ichina equation తీసుకోండి. What is the given equation? Given tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Okay. Same ninnati concept. Same complementary angle, trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Complementary angles ఏదైనా ఒక రేషియో చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఆల్రెడీ ఇది చేంజ్ అంటే నార్మల్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ గా ఉంది. ఇది దీన్ని చేంజ్ చేసుకోకుండా ఇట్లా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా? ఈ రేషియో చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా. సో tan x is equal to can be written as cot 90 minus x. Tan x is equal to cot 90 minus x. What is x here? 2a. X is 2a. That is 90 minus 2a is equal to RHS will be same. ఏదైనా ఒక రేషియో చేంజ్ చేయాలి. చెప్పాను కదా నిన్న. So cot of a minus 18 degrees. Okay. So I have changed this into cot. That is tan x is equal to cot of 90 minus x. This is the identity which I used here. Okay. Next. Now on the both sides there is same trigonometric ratio. Can we cancel it? So cancel the same trigonometric ratio on both sides. What is left over part here? 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Now transpose all the variables to one side and all the constants to other side. Constants అన్నిటిని ఒక సైడ్ తెచ్చుకోండి, variables అన్నిటిని ఒక సైడ్ తెచ్చుకోండి. So now compare here which is the largest variable, 2a or a? 2a. But 2a is having negative sign. So we need to make it positive by transposing other side. So transpose this 2a that side and transpose this minus 18 this side, LHS side. So now it becomes 90 as it is, minus 18 if we transpose this side it will become plus 18 is equal to a as it is, minus 2a if we transpose to other side it will become plus 2a. Okay. Then 90 plus 18 is 90 plus 18 is 108 is equal to a plus 2a 3a. Then 3a is equal to 108. Then a is equal to 3 is getting multiplied with a. 3a is nothing but 3 is getting multiplied with a. Then if it is multiplied here, then it will be divided. 108 by 3. Very good. So now in 3 table, how many times this 3 3s are 9. The smallest number than 3 is 9. So 3 3s are 9 and 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 will be kept here. So 18 6 times. So a is equal to 36. Is it? A is equal to 36.